scrambled ones.
Yeah.
Today on them. 18th of March, it's not 24. At the Malmi. Malmi terveysasema asessation. For only 2 floors. When was it built? Yeah, here, 1988. His number is 51164. Capacity is 10 versus weight records. Let's try 2 rides here. Be the beginning of 1988, maybe.
Yeah.
Where goes?
Yeah.
See champagne here and just show the back.
Yeah. Is kaikki vain pitää meitä ei pääs on missä vaikka.
Fortunately, the emergency phone is gone.
Yeah.
There's a chair, and of course these rare windows too.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, the lamp for the first floor is broken.
Yeah.
This will be inspected in 2024 this year. Thanks for watching, and that's it. And this is probably the only elevator in this healthcare center.
Yeah.
Fortunately, the hospital part of Malmi was completely destroyed. There's a collapse on the design, so we don't need that.
Yeah.
That describes 2013. So
That's
that's it.